Good morning everyone. My name is Avantika Harishan and today we are here to do a video on Arsenalna Metro Station, the deepest metro station in the world. It is situated in Kiev. Kiev metropolitan city is the capital of Ukraine. The public transport here is easily accessible. The different types of public transport available here are trams, buses, metros and trolley buses. Metros are the most used public transport in Kiev. The Kiev Metro has 3 lines, red, green and blue. One can reach to any ends of Kiev city on the metro. It is one of the oldest and hence well-established metro. The trains are available frequently and are fast, so transportation is efficient. The Arsenalna Metro Station lies in the red line of the Kiev Metro. Arsenalna is a station on Kiev Metro. It was first opened in the 1960s when Ukraine was a part of the Soviet Union. It is filled with chandeliers, mosaics and colorful stones. The station is currently the deepest metro station in the world at 105.5 meters deep, that is 346 feet. This is due to the geography. The station entrance is at the top of a steep valley next to the Dnieper River. The adjacent station, Dnipro, lies just above the ground level close to the river bank. In order to avoid a steep descent, the Arsenalna had to be built on the same level. The station's design is very unusual. It lacks a central concourse and is thus similar in layout to the stations on the London Underground. To see the architectural beauty of Arsenalna Metro Station, you have to be prepared for a long ride. The ride on the escalators itself is one of the longest, totaling up to 5 minutes. Kiev metro system and its surroundings are well maintained and the escalators are also inspected daily for safety of its passengers. The areas around the metro are also well developed and usually attractive spots for the public as well as tourists.